Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's class. Now my friends, we are doing with pair of two linear equations. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Before that, my friends, we have studied these things. The portion covered in ninth standard. Full one video, that is the previous video, that is the beginning part. I have just reminded everything what we have done in case of what? Straight line. Yes, my friends. Started with a linear equation in one variable. That variable I have written simple var variable. This is the standard form of the equation ax plus b equal to 0, where the power of x must be 1. Then only it is linear equation. Power of x must be 1 and a should not be 0. If a is 0, it becomes constant equal to 0, which is impossible, gives an absurd result. To avoid this a not equal to 0, comma, b are the real numbers. This denotes set of real numbers. Therefore, in this case, even we have done by taking some equations, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x minus 5 equal to 0, like that. Taking them, we get the value of x as 1. Therefore, what is this one equation? This x is the variable. How many variables are there? One variable. We get what, my friends? One value of x. That value of x gives the solution of the equation. Therefore, even in this video, previous video, we have concluded one equation, one variable, one solution. This is with linear equation in one variable. Now, what is the next, my friends? Linear equation in two variables. X is one variable. We have to take another variable as what? Y. If x and y are two variables, then this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables x and y. Where a should not be 0, b should not be 0, with the condition a square plus b square not equal to 0. A and b never be simultaneously 0. Everything I have explained. Pi they should not be 0. Everything I explained in the previous video. Just refer it. Yes, my friends. Comma C are real numbers. Therefore, by taking a different values of x and y, which satisfies this linear equation, the values of x and y which satisfy the linear equation gives the solution of the linear equation. For a linear equation containing two variables, there exists what? Infinite number of values of pair x and y that satisfy the given equation. Therefore, my friends, a linear equation in two variables, always it has infinite number of solutions. And one more thing, that linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents, this is, my friends, represents, I have written short, represents graphically or geometrically a straight line. This is very important, my friends. Graphically or geometrically, it represents a straight line like this, my friends. If this is a coordinate axis, this is x-axis, this is origin, this is y. My friends, this is your line L. What is your observation, my friends? There exists infinite number of points on this. See here. How many points are there? Infinite number of points, because this straight line, there is no end. There is no end, we will mark it by what? Two arrows. Arrows means what? No end that side, no end this side. Then how many points are there on this line? There lies an infinite number of points on the line. A point which lies on the line is a solution of the equation. Everything I have shown in the previous video. Even I have shown a point which outside the line, by taking 1, 1, that will not satisfy the equation of what? Line. When it doesn't satisfy, it is not the solution. What is the solution? Solution are the values of x and y such that those values of x and y must satisfy the given equation, linear equation in two variables. Satisfy means what? By putting the values of x and y in the equation, you must get LHS equal to RHS. Such values are always solution. And always this straight line passes through such points, my friends. When it passes through such points, these points are there on the line. Therefore, on the line, there exists what? There lies what? Infinite number of points. Infinite number of points. Yes, my friends, infinite number of points. Next is to draw a straight line. To draw a straight line, 2 points are enough. This is 1 point, and this is another point. You can join and extend both sides. You can join and extend both sides. Therefore, to draw a straight line, we need at least means what? 2 and more points. 2 and these are the more points. Even if there is another point, this is a straight line that passes through these points, my friends. Therefore, to draw a straight line, we need at least 2 points. Therefore, while doing the examples, my friends, to draw a straight line, I consider maximum 2 or 3 points which lies on the line. Is correct? Maximum 2 or 3 points. Nothing, because there exists what? Infinite number of points. Enough 2 or 3 points. A point which lies on the line will be solution. A point which lies on the line. A point which lies on the line means what? The coordinates of these points, what they are? They are the values of x and y, which satisfies the equation, will be the solution. Therefore, a point which lies will be solution of the equation, and vice versa. Vice versa means what? A solution of the equation, the values of x and y, always it is a point which lies on the line. Point is a solution. Solution is a point on the line. Remember, my friends. Therefore, number of points on the line always gives what? Number of solutions of the linear equation. Hence, on a straight line, there lies infinite number of points. Therefore, a straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 has infinite number of solutions. Such points which lies on the line. Now, my friends, I will repeat once again. It is a linear equation in one variable. So, one equation, one variable, one solution. What is this? It is a linear equation in two variables. This is the standard form. I have explained through this, my friends. Here, what is this? It is one equation. How many variables are there? X and Y. 2 variables. And there exists what, my friends? Infinite number of points, infinite solutions. Therefore, there exists infinite number of solutions. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, infinity, infinite number of solutions. So, this I have explained, my friends. Geometrically, a linear equation represents a straight line. A point which lies on the straight line will be the solution. A solution of the equation will be a point on the straight line. Remember, my friends, all this is the portion of what? 9th standard. If this is clear, the rest will be clear, my friends. Therefore, once again, by taking 5-10 minutes, I've explained what I have done in the first video. Now we will start with your actual portion starts with this, my friends. What is this? Pair. Pair means what? 2. Pair means two different linear equations in 2 variables. This is the standard form. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Where explained a1 not equal to 0, b1 not equal to 0, such that a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0. Similarly, a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0 are what? Two equations, two different equations of what? Two different equations. First, I take it as what? L1, second is L2. L1 line, first line 1, line 2. That L represents line 1, line 2. Yes. Be the pair. Pair means Jodi. Jodi means two of linear equations in two variable section. Next, my friends, graphs. Graphs are geometrically the equations L1 and L2 represents two different straight lines or two straight lines. To draw two straight lines on a plane, there exist or there will be three possibilities to draw two straight lines. See, this is very important. To draw two straight lines on a plane, there exist three possibilities. There can be three possibilities. Possibility number 1, you can say it as P1. P1 means what? Possibility 1. Two lines L1 and L2 may intersect at a point P. That point of intersection are denoted as what? P. Two lines L1 and L2, these two lines, my friends. I told a line represents linear equation represents a line. Second linear equation represents a second line. Then there are two straight lines. To draw these two straight lines on a plane, there exist three possibilities. Possibility 1. Two lines L1 and L2 may intersect at a point P I have taken, and this point of intersection P lies on both lines L1 and L2. This point of intersection P, see, it is a common point. It is where on the line L1 and it is also what? Line L2. Then the point which is a point of intersection of these two lies on both the lines L1 and L2. Both the lines L1 and L2. Therefore, P is a common point which satisfies both the equations L1 and L2. Which satisfy both the equations L1 and L2. When it satisfies, hence, it will be a solution as there is only one point of intersection. So the number of solution is what? Only one. Only one means what? Unique solution. Therefore, intersecting pair of lines always gives one. One means unique solution. This what? Intersecting type of pair of lines always gives a unique solution. Unique solution. Remember, my friends, explained everything. See, what is the possibility number 1? P1. The two lines L1, L2 may intersect at a point. Always they intersect at only one point. There is there is no second point of intersection. Point of intersection is always one. That one we call it as what? Unique. Therefore, as there is a unique point of intersection, there exists unique solution. So, intersecting type of pair of linear equations always gives unique solution. This is, my friends, P1, possibility 1. Next, my friends, this is P2. P2 means what? Possibility 2. This is P2. P2 means possibility 2. Two lines L1, L2 may coincide. My friends, this is line L1. Again, the case may be what? That line L2 may lies on the line L1 itself. L2 may lies on the line L1, or L1 may lies on the line L2. In this case, we say the two lines L1 and L2 coincide, overlapping, lies one on the other, lies one on another means coincide. Here it is observed. How many points are there? We countless 5. You can't count. There exists what? There lies what? Infinite number of common points. Infinite number of common points on the lines L1, L2. As the infinite number of common points, there exists what? Infinite number of solutions. There exists infinite number of solutions. Hence, my friends, for coincident pair of lines, coincident pair of lines, always there exist infinite number of solutions. Always there exist infinite number of solutions. Therefore, my friends, intersecting means what? Coincident type of lines. Coincident type of lines have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. Remember, my friends, it is second case. Second case. Second possibility. My friends, this is a third possibility. I take it as what? P3. P3 means what? Third possibility. What is the third possibility? First equation, L1 represents line L1. Second equation, the case may be what? It is parallel to this, parallel to this. Therefore, the two lines L1 and L2 may be parallel. Two lines L1 and L2 may be parallel, may be parallel. Therefore, lines L1, L2 does not have any common point. It is observation. Have they any common points? Line points on L1 are different. Points on L2 are different. It is observed there is not a single point which is common to L1 and L2. Therefore, when the two lines are parallel, it is observed no common points. No common points. That common point is the solution. Common point is the solution. One common point, one solution. Infinite number of common points, infinite number of solutions. No common point, no common point. Hence, my friends, no solution, no solution. Therefore, pair of parallel lines does not have any solution, any solution. Therefore, my friends, there exist three cases. One, the lines may intersect. Second, one line may lie on the another line. Coincident lines. One, they may be parallel. They may be parallel. If the lines are not parallel like this, my friends, it is what? It is one line. It is what? It is another line. Another line. These are not parallel. But somewhere, if you proceed these lines like this, my friends, they intersect at a point. They intersect at a point. The lines which are not parallel always intersect at a point. The lines which are parallel, they never intersect any point. When they are never intersect, no common points, hence my friends, no solution. The lines which are not parallel, if you proceed these two lines, they intersect at a point. At a point, intersection means it's a common point on the lines L1, L2. Then there is a solution. Not parallel, there is a solution, unique solution, because the lines will intersect. The lines which are parallel, they never intersect. They never intersect means what? No common points, hence there is no solution. My friends, pair of parallel lines does not have any solutions. Remember, three cases. One, intersecting type. Therefore, intersecting pair of lines have a unique solution, one solution. Coincident pair of lines, they have infinite number of solutions because they have infinite number of common points. Parallel doesn't have any common point, no solution. The lines which are not parallel, they intersect in future, further future at a point, single point. Then not parallel, there exists only one solution. Parallel, no solution. Remember, my friends, this is the basic part of what? Pair of linear equations in two variables. Standard forms. Graphical representation means a geometrical representation means you have to draw a line on the plane. In drawing the two lines, there exist three possibilities. This is P1, P2, P3. My friends, explained everything in detail. Just read. I give 1 or 2 minutes. Write the notes. Complete them. My friends, take little time and complete. Yes, my friends, hope you have copied what I've explained so far. P1, P2, P3 are the basics of what? The rest, my friends, in the chapter. Pair of linear equations in two variables. This plays a very, very important role. What is P1, my friends? If the lines intersect at a point, one solution. Unique solution means what? They intersect at a point. Both, man. Point of intersection, common point is the solution. Solution is the common point. Second, coincident. Solution will be infinite number of solutions. Parallel. No common points, hence there is no solution. No solution. Remember, my friends. Next comes methods of solution. Next is methods. Next is methods of solution of pair of equations. Yes, my friend. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, which we call it as L1. L is a line, 1 means line 1. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, that is L2. Everything is understood, my friends. Hence, I am not going to mention what? A1 not equal to 0, b1 not equal to 0, a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. No, it is all understood, my friends. Understood. This is about the methods. My friends, there are two methods. Yes. Friends, there are two methods. One, graphical or geometrical method. Graphical or geometrical method. Second, algebraic method. In algebraic method, there are two methods, my friends, hence here. One is method of evaluation, or it is also called as method of substitution. Second, it is a method of cross multiplication. This is method of evaluation or elimination or method of substitution. Second is method of cross multiplication. We will see that while doing algebraic methods. First, I will go with this graphical or geometrical method. Graphical or geometrical method means so to draw the straight lines graphically, geometrically. Yes. First method. Geometrical or graphical method. Equations of the two lines are given. Those equations are called as algebraic equations, my friends. These are algebraic equations of two lines. To draw a graph or to find the method graphically, we need what? Algebraic equations. Two equations of the two lines. Two equations we need. These are called as algebraic equations. With the help of algebraic equations, we draw the straight lines given by the two equations. Yes, my friends. I take one example. Yes, my friends. Solve the system of equations this is first equation, 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Second equation is 2x plus y equal to 6. Graphically or geometrically, any they mention one, either graphically, otherwise geometrically. Yes, my friends. To draw a straight line, we need at least 2 points. To draw a straight line, to draw a graph of a line, we need at least 2. At least 2 means minimum 2. There is no maximum. We may consider 3 points, 4 points, any number of points, my friends. I consider maximum 3 points on the line. Then what about those 3 points? They are nothing but the values of x and y. Which satisfies the equations. Once again, my friends, I denote this as L1. My friends, this as L2. Yes, now for L1, I draw the graph of L1. Draw the graphs of equations L1 and L2. And you know this, to draw a graph of a line, we need at least 2 points. Means more than 2 points. Now, my friends, I consider more than 2 points. This is your L1. My friends, for line L1, what is L1? It is 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Taking that side, 3x plus 1 equal to y, or y is 3x plus 1. Now you give the values for x. When x is 0, what about y? 0 plus 1 means 1. Therefore, the point 0, 1 point 0, 1 lies on L1. L5, my friends, by putting x equal to 0, y equal to 1, you get what? X equal to 0, y equal to 1 means you get 1 equal to 1. Y is 1, this is 1. 1 equal to 1 lies. Similarly, when x is 1, what about y? It is 3 into 1 plus 1 means 4. Therefore, what is the second point? 1, 4. When x equal to 2 or 3, you can take. What about y? 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, which is 7. Therefore, my friends, points 0, 1 and 1, 4 and it is 3, 7 lies on L1. They are the solutions. Like this, my friends. This is what? X. This is y. Yes. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 3, you can take 2, you can take 5, any number. It is 7. Yes, this is 1. And then for the second, then for the line L2, second for L2. What is the equation of L2? L2 is 2x plus y equal to 6. This is 2x plus y equal to 6. From this, my friends, what is the value of y? It is 6 minus 12. Like this. When x is 0, what is y? 6 minus 0 means 6. Therefore, the point 0, 6 is where? 0, 6 is on the line L2. Similarly, when x is, my friend, you can take 1. When x is 1, what about y? 6 minus 2, which is 4. Therefore, the point 1, 4 will be where? On the line L2. One more point. You can take what? X equal to 2 or x equal to 3, anything. What about y? When x is 2, otherwise you can take 3, my friends. Okay. X is 3, what is y? 6 minus 6, which is 0. Therefore, my friend, it is 3, 0. All these are the points where? On the line L2. On the line L2, the same thing you can represent. This is called as what, my friends? Tabular form. This is the tabular form. You know all these things done in the previous standards. Yes, my friend, this is y. These are the values of x. When x is 0, y is 6. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 0. I have taken what? Minimum at least 2 points I have considered. One more, 3 points. Now, with the help of these, my friends, with the help of these, you can draw the 2 lines. Draw the 2 lines now. Yes, my friends, you know how to draw the graphs. Yes, this is the origin. On x-axis, you have maximum 3 points. 3 points. On y-axis, the maximum is 7. On y-axis, you have more number of points. Yes, my friend. Now this is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that, my friends. This is x-axis. X-axis. This is y-axis. Maximum 7 points. 7 points. Scale 1. Now this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maximum is 7. Yes, my friends. Mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, my friends. From the table it is observed no negative values of x, no negative values of y. Therefore, I don't want to mark on negative side of x and y axis, no negative sides. What is the first point for L1? For L1, when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 0, y is 1. Yes, my friends. When x is 0, y is 1. This is the first point. Next is when x is 1, y is 4. X is 1, y is 4. Y is 4. When x is 3, y is 7. Y is 7 here. When x is 3, y is 7. This is L1, my friends. This is L1. This is 1 point. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 7. Y is 7. This is, my friends. So drawn a simple, because sometimes, my friends, little, I will not consider any, while marking the points, no scale at all. This is line L1, my friends. L1. Then for the L2, this is L2. When x is 0, y is 6, this point. When x is 1, y is 4, this point, my friends, this point. When x is 3, y is 0, this point. This is this point. Yes, my friends. Yes, you have to just see, cooperate. This is line L2. This is the point of intersection, which is the value of y is 4, x is 1. X is 1, y is 4. X is 1, y is 4. Yes, my friends. This is x is 1, y is 4, like this. This is 4, this is 1, this is 1. This is L1, this is L2. As I have not observed any scales here, simply I marked approximately. So sometimes the lines, okay, we have little not more correct. What is this point? 1, 4. See here your observation. 1, 4, 1, 4. What is this, my friend? 1, 4. This is the common point of intersection from the tabular form values itself. This is the common point of intersection. Therefore, lines intersects. Lines L1 and L2 intersect at a point 1, 4. Therefore, 1, 4 is the common point. common, only one point. Therefore, there is only one solution. There is one means what? Unique solution. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to 4 is the solution. Is the solution of the given equations. And this is the method of finding the solution by graphical or geometrical method. What is done, my friends? L1, L2. For L1, you know the method. Solve for y. For different values of x, we have values of y. Then these points 0, 1, 1, 4, 3, 7 are the points on the line L1. Similarly, for second line, equation solve for y, different values of x, different values of y. Therefore, 0, 6, 1, 4, 3, 0 are the points on the line L2. This is the method of drawing the graphs. Scale, mark the points, join the points, they intersect at a point 1, 4. That will be the solution by number of common points 1, number of solution 1. This gives the values of x, this gives the values of y. It is the solution of the given pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. This is, my friends, graphical or geometrical method. Graphical or geometrical method. Yes, my friends. Yes, I do one more example. I will consider the examples from your exercise. Exercise that is 3.2. 3.2. I do one more example. 3.2. My friends, this is exercise 3.2. Example number 1. Example 1. For the pair of linear equations, LIN I write simple. Linear equations in the following problems. In the following problems, and find their solutions. Find their solution or their solutions graphically or geometrically, anything. Graphically or geometrically. Yes, my friends. This is example 1. Example 1. 10 students. 10 students of class 10th. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. Mathematics quiz. If the number of number of girls is 4 more than the boys. More than the boys. Find the number of boys and girls. Number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Yes, my friends, let number of boys equal to x and number of girls equal to 1. Then how many students are there? There are 10 students together. Therefore, there are 10 students together. Given there are 10 students together. This gives, my friends, together means what? Their sum x plus y is 10. This is the first algebraic equation. Second, what is given? Given a number of girls equal to 4 more than the boys. Number of boys. This gives number of girls is y, 4 more than the boys. This gives, my friends, x minus y. X minus y is minus 4. Therefore, algebraic equations are 10. First equation is x plus y equal to 10. Denote this as L1. What is second equation? X minus y equal to minus 4. This is, my friend, second equation. Now we have to draw the graphs of L1 and L2. Graphs of L1 and L2. Yes, my friends, first one for L1. You know the method. What is the equation? X plus y equal to 10. Solve for y. Y is 10 minus x gives values. When x is 0, y is 10. When x is 2, what about y? It is 8. When x is 4, what about y? Y is 6, my friends. Y is 6. Therefore, the points, first is what? 0, 10. What is second? 2, 8. What is third? 4, 6 are where? On the line L1. Are on the line L1. Represent the same tabular method. This is the value of x. This is y. Yes, my friend. When x is 0, y is 10. When x is 2, y is 8. When x is 4, y is 6, my friends. Y is 6. 6. Yes. Yes, this is 1. Second is, I now remove this. Second is, yes, everything is Second, this is x minus y equal to minus 4. Then what about y? Y is x plus 4. Take this side, minus becomes plus. Take this side, minus becomes plus 4. When x is 0, what about y? 0 plus 4. Therefore, this point 0, 4 is on L2. On L2, this is for L2, my friends. For L2. Second, when x is minus 4, what about y? Y is 0. Therefore, it is minus 4 comma 0 is on L2. Similarly, one more point, when x is minus 2, what about y? Y is minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. So, this point minus 2 plus 2 is a point on L2. Is a point on L2. This is the tabular form. My friend, this is x, this is y. First is 0, y is 4. When x is minus 4, y is 0. When x is minus 2, y is plus 2. These are the two tabular forms, my friends. These two plays a very important role in drawing the straight lines. Yes, my friends. Now you draw the straight lines graph. Yes, my friends. Just you have these two tabular forms. With the help of this, to draw the graphs. Draw the graphs. Yes. On positive side, x is 4. Yes, that will be the maximum. X is 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My friend, this is origin means 0. Then what about the negative values of x? Minus 2, minus 4. This side. This is 1, 2, 3, this is 4. My friend, this is minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. This is x dash. What about y is 10? Y is 10. Maximum value of y is 10. Y is 10. Yes, my friend. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any negative values, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what about negative values of y? There is no negative values. Then don't mark negative side. This is for L2. This is for L1. When x is 0, y is 10. When x is 0, y is 10. Y is 10. Y is 10. When x is 2, y is 8. When x is 2, y is 8. Y is 8. Yes, my friends. When x is 4, y is 6. When x is 4, y is 6. Y is 6. 6, 4. 6, 4. This is the line L1. This is the line L1. Yes. Four is 6. 4 is 6. And 2 is 8. This is 8. Yes, my friend. Second, 0, x is 0, y is 4. X is 0, y is 4. X is 0, y is 4. Yes, my friend. When x is minus 4, y is 0, this point. When x is minus 2, y is 2, y is 2. When x is minus 2, y is 2 here. Y is 2. Yes, my friends, this is the second line. Yes, sometimes it misses, my friends. This is your point of intersection. What is this? This is 7. This is 3. So, x is 3, y is 7. This is L2. This is L1. So the point of intersection, please my friends, straight line, please see, our graph is not correct, scale is not correct, so this is little bit 4. Yes. The scale, if you draw, you get a correct line, straight line. Yes, my friend, this is 3, this is 4, this is 0.7, this is 0.3. So this is x equal to 3, y is 7. This is the point of intersection. Therefore, 3, 7 is the point of intersection. L1, L2 lines. L1, L2 intersect at a point 3, 7. One common point gives one solution, means unique solution. One solution. Therefore, x equal to 3 and y equal to 7. Y equal to 7 is the solution. That is, number of boys equal to 3. Or 3 boys and 7 girls. That is 3 boys and 7 girls took part in the quiz. Took part in the quiz. Therefore, my friends, there the number of boys are what? 3. And number of girls are 7. 3 plus 7 is what? 10. 10. That 10 girls. 10 girls. And number of girls is what? 4 more than the boys. 3 plus 4 is 7. What is the total number of students? 3 plus 7 is 10. 10. And number of girls is always 4 more than the boys. Number of boys is 3. 4 more means 7. Therefore, my friends, 3 boys and 7 girls, they took part in mathematics quiz. This is the solution of the problem. We solved with the help of what? Graphical method. Graphical method. Yes, my friends, remember this. This is a graphical method. This is the second example, which is in the exercise 3.2, my friends. I consider a few more examples in the next video. Till then, my friends, thank you very much. Please refer the videos. Before coming to the next class, be prepared. Be prepared, and if you attend the class with a preparation, what is done, the next video or next class will be very much beneficial. Means you can very well understand the future things. Saying this, my friends, once again I will say thanks to you, my friends. Namaste, Namaskara, Namaskar. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.